So here's how you can use a TikTok template in CapCut. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the TikTok application, and then from here on the right upper side you will see a search bar. So you need to tap on the search bar and search for CapCut template. All right, so let's just search for a CapCut template, and here you go. So the CapCut template, search for it, and then from here you will see different types of videos. You need to select one of the videos like you want. So for my case, I will go to the users and find out the best users. Like this user has 5 million, so I will go to this, and then from here there we go, there are lots of templates. All right, so let's just scroll it down until we find like I want to go to this video. All right, then from here, as you can see, here is a pop-up going on, which is CapCut try this template. So you need to tap on this option and then use template in CapCut. So you need to again tap on this option. So this will brings you to the CapCut. So as you can see, we are on the CapCut. So again, just tap on the use template, and now you can simply use any of the videos. Like I want to use this video, I will add for it, and then tap on next, and that's how you can simply use a TikTok template in CapCut. So I think this might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Have a great day.